Welcome to this lesson where I'll be talking about realistic goal setting, how we set goals in our trading. So, there's a difference between what we need and what we want. We need food, right? We need food to survive. We need water to be able to drink the water so we can live. We need food. What we want is dessert. There is a difference between the need and the want, right? I'm gonna go through it either way. The food we eat, we need it to survive. The desserts we eat it just because we want it. And the thing is, winners or losers. If you take somebody running the track on the track and they're supposed to run 100 meters or so, the winners and the losers, there are like 8 people. Winners or losers have the same goal. Everybody in that track, there are 8 people. They want to win, right? So why don't they all win? Why is just that there is just one winner at the end of that run? So the goal itself cannot be what makes them win because they all have the same goal. It must be something else. So the goal affects does not affect their results. It must be something else. And the real truth here is that big goals don't create success. The daily habits, which is the work that we do on a daily basis, that is the goal. We don't reach big goals directly. We the big goal will not feel like this is the thing. When we have a big goal, it will not feel like when you achieve it, it will not feel like just special ones among us gets to reach to that area and you will feel exceptional all the time. It doesn't feel that way. Think about it. You've had goals in your life, right? You've achieved some of your goals. When you achieved that goal, did you feel extraordinary or something special, or did you feel like this is a euphoric special place that just me, I'm just the one here? Did you feel that way? No, right? Because it's not, it's the process. You can be successful today, in this second, by just changing the way you see it and changing the system. Because the systems that you're doing on a daily basis, they're waking up a half hour before the trade. Maybe you're structuring you're watching news, you're structuring your entries, you're structuring your checklist, you have your know how much you're risking. Doing those things on a consistent basis, that is success. That is how, and when you reach that goal that you have, the big goal, it will not feel that different because that you will continue doing the same system over and over and over again. It will never change because that is the habits of the successful people, as they say, that will get you there. So explanation here, in trading, we need structure. We need to know where we are going. For example, my goal is I need to make X amount percent per week. That is the goal, right? You should have a baseline minimum of how much you need to reach to be able to survive and live and eat each week. So in the end, why week? Why not month? Because in a weekly basis, it's easier to see. You know that the end of the week, okay, you know what? I was break even this week or I lost this week. I need to readjust to the week ahead. A month seems too far away, 30 days. And that is the goal basically. Everything about, let's say you have a goal of reaching 2% a week. 2% a week is a good goal to have. It's a baseline goal. It gives you 8% on the month. 8% is what the S&P 500 is doing on a yearly basis. If you're doing that every month, that's great results. That's A-level results. Everything above that, I'm just using 2% as an example. Everything above that is the dessert, as I spoke on the beginning of the video. That's the want. That's not the need. The need is 2%. Everything above that 2% is a want. It's counterintuitive because the hard it's harder to do the small, consistent, tiny goals over and over and over again than it is to do the big goal. But you have heard the saying, uh, uh, the destination is the is the goal, not no, the process is the goal, not the destination. And that really is true. Okay? To reach that big goal, you need to take one step at a time to reach that big goal. This is so cliche, but that is really how you get there by taking one step at a time. And those one steps is hard to do. The tiny goals that it's harder to do because they seem insignificant. It's harder to do than the big goal, which means that the daily things that we are doing on a daily basis, that is the goal, right? So watching the market, New York session, London session, every day for 2 years, and you will reach that goal because you're seeing it every day. You're in that momentum of how it feels to be a professional day trader because you're creating every day as a green day. Let me define the green day again. What is the definition of the green day? A green day is if I come to the market, I have no intention and no expectations. I show patience. I only take trades that fit my setup. Sorry. I apply good risk management. I accept a small loss. Then it's an absolute green day. Why? Because when I think about the process like this, my trading improves 10x faster. Because I'm forcing my brain to focus on the process, the goal on the daily basis, and not the profits. That is the definition of a green day. So we make every day a green day. So let's recap a bit. In this lesson, I covered three important ideas. Realistic goal setting creates consistency, small daily action lead to bigger results, and daily green days is the goal because that is the work that we need to be doing. And we can start being successful today at this moment. It's just a choice. Lesson check-in. Take a moment to think about it. Are you focusing on what you need or are you chasing what you want? Are you chasing the needs or are you chasing your wants? The wants is the desserts, the need is the food. Once that this is enough, feel free to share it below with the community. And I love you to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and join the school community if you haven't done it already. And if you just make me this favor. Feel free to jump on YouTube and just write a short comment so it will boost the algorithm and it will get more people to see this video. It will really help me out. All right. Talk to you in the next lesson and have a great day. Bye.